Hey friends, as we know that in Microsoft Excel, to protect our data from unauthorized persons, we use password so that any unauthorized person is not able to change our data. But sometimes we ourselves forget the password that we have been used to protect our data. The same thing we are going to discuss in today's tutorial, that in case if we forget the password that we have been used to protect our data, how we can remove this password. We will also discuss that if we have an Excel file in which we have more than one sheets and all sheets are password protected, and if we want to remove password from more than one sheets or from selected sheets, how we can remove such password. So let's start. Here we have an Excel file in which we have three sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. I will use password to protect all these three sheets, then we will see that how we can remove this password. Now all these sheets are password protected. If we want to change or if we want to add anything in these sheets will not allow us to add or change anything. So what we will do, I will just close this workbook. This is the Excel file in which all worksheets are password protected. Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Now let's say we want to remove password from sheet 1 and sheet 2 only. We don't want to remove or we don't want to break password of sheet 3. How we can do this? I will just close this workbook. I will just create here a folder and I will just create a copy of this workbook so that during the procedure we remove the password. If there is any problem with this Excel file, we have original Excel file as a backup. So what I will do, first of all we need extension of this Excel file, that what kind of this file is. So to get extension, what we will do, we will go to view tab. In view tab we have here option file name extension. We will check this box and you will see we have here extension. So we will right click, we will just rename and we will remove this extension. Whatever extension we have, we will just remove. I will delete and I will insert here a new extension, zip. I will press enter, I will go for yes, and now you can see we have a new type of file, that is zip file. Now we need to extract this file. I will just right click, I will just go to extract all. I will just select the folder where I want to extract this file. Let's say in the same folder we create a new folder with the name extract for our convenience, and in this folder we just extract this file. This is the folder in which we have been extracted this zip file. We will go inside this folder. In this folder we will go to Excel folder, then we will go to worksheets folder. In this worksheets folder you will find that there are different files. Number of these files will be exactly same as you have number of worksheets in your Excel file. The second thing you will notice that name of these files is exactly same as you have name of your worksheets in your Excel file. So what we said that we want to remove password from sheet 1 and sheet 2 only. We don't want to remove or we don't want to break password of sheet 3. So what we will do for sheet 1, we will just select, we will right click, we will open this with Notepad. Here you want to take care about one thing. You don't need to click inside this Notepad. When you will open this file with Notepad, you need to directly use shortcut key Ctrl+F, and then here you need to write word protection and then you need to find it. When you will find it, you will select from here, from where this is starting before sheet, you will just select till it ends. So I will select till here. You can see this sign where it closes. I have been selected till here. I will use backspace to delete this, and then I will use shortcut key Ctrl+S to save it as it is. Then I will close this. Now second file, select this second file, right click, open with Notepad. No need to click inside this Notepad, directly use shortcut key Ctrl+F, right here protection, find protection and select from start till end, till this closes. You can see this line will close on this sign. So till here we will select, we will use backspace or delete. To delete this, we will use shortcut key Ctrl+S to save this, close this. Now we will come back to the folder in which we have been extracted our zip file. We will go inside this folder, we will select all files and folders that we have inside this. We will right click and then we will we need to change these all files again into zip folder or zip file. We will go to send to compressed folder or zipper, and here you can see we have one zip file. We need to change extension from zip into the same extension that we had for our Excel file, that is XLSX. Press enter, go for yes. When we will change extension from zip into Excel file extension, you will see that we have here Excel file. We need to open it. When we will open it, you will notice that in this Excel file we have the same Excel sheets, 3 Excel sheets. Remember that we have been removed password from sheet 1 and sheet 2, and we will check that sheet 1 we are able to change or we are able to edit. Sheet 2 we are able to edit, but for sheet 3 remember we did not removed password. So if we try to write anything, we are not able to write or edit this file. So friends, this is the simple procedure, or these are the simple steps you can use to remove or break password from Excel worksheets. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Microsoft Office Tutorials, and also don't forget to press bell icon button. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.